Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Travel Tech. So I'm pretty sure if you have been following my channel, you've already bought a dashcam on the Amazon sale currently going on or planning on getting one pretty soon. So no matter what your status about a dashcam is, you would definitely need the dashcam accessories. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the 4 important accessories which you can and should buy for your dash camera to enhance the entire experience of owning a dashcam. So before you watch the rest of this video, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and smash that like button as well. You're watching Travel Tech. Let's take a look. So I'm not going to get into the detail of each accessory that's required because I already covered that in a previous video and I'll give you the link for that video in the description. In this video, I'll give you a short overview and also provide you the links to purchase these accessories. So there are 4 important accessories which you should and must buy for every dashcam. The most primary one being a memory card. So starting with the budget Full HD cameras up to the high level 4K HDR cameras, dual or the triple channel, each camera has its own kind of a memory card requirement and the kind of speed that goes with it. I've already made a very detailed video regarding memory cards and which memory card should go into which dashcam. I've spoken about the various storage capacities, its speed, so I'm not going to get into the detail in this particular video. You can watch that video. I'll give you a link in the description below. So what I'm going to do in this video is provide you the links to the most suitable memory cards for each type of dashcam. 3 main categories: Full HD cameras, 2K or Quad HD cameras, following it up by 4K cameras. So 3 main categories. You'll find the links to all the compatible memory cards in the description. So check the description, check the kind of dash camera you have and select the appropriate memory card. Click on the link and buy it right away. So once you've covered up on the memory card aspect, the next important accessory which you need to buy is a hardwire kit. Now most of us buy dash cams because we need parking monitoring, and parking monitoring comes only and only via hardwire kit. So basically hardwire kits are of 2 types, a OBD2 hardwire kit or a regular fuse tab based hardwire kit. So the regular fuse tab based hardwire kits are older generation and were there for quite some time, and the OBD2 hardware kits are the recent ones, easy to install, plug and play, no hassle about it. But not all cameras get the OBD2 hardware kit. Some brands offer it, some brands don't. So what I am going to do is provide you the links for each type of hardware kit, both the OBD2 and the regular based hardware kit. So you can check the description below. I'll provide you the links for all the available OBD2 hardware kits and the regular fuse tab based hardware kits. Whatever's available, I'll provide you the link right there. It might be possible that your dash camera may not be named in the description. In case if it isn't, you can just comment down below. I'll try to find the compatible accessory for you. And in case if the particular dashcam for which you're searching the hardware kit is written down below, go ahead, click on the link and purchase that particular compatible hardware kit. I've already made a very detailed video regarding the installation of a fuse tab based hardware kit. So if you're having difficulty installing the hardware kit, you can check that video out. I'll leave a link in the description below. So 2 things are covered now: memory cards and hardware kit, 2 primary important aspects for a dash camera. Moving on to the 3rd important accessory, that is the suction mount. Well, suction mounts are relatively new, not available for all cameras. Mostly budget cameras, they are available widely, and of course a few newer cameras from 70mm, wherein 70mm has specifically released suction mounts for each of these models. So whichever suction mount is available online, available on Amazon, I'll provide you the links for those in the description below. Check the description. If your specific dash camera model has a suction mount, you'll find it in the description below. If you find it, click on it, get the suction mount and make the installation process much easier affair. So suction mounts have a really good advantage because you can easily remove the dash cam and put back the dash cam. You can change the position. I mean, suction mounts are really good at that stuff than directly attaching the dash cam to the windshield. I really like the convenience the suction mounts bring in terms of making the installation and post installation issues a very easy stuff. So if you are looking for a suction mount for your camera and want to make things easier for yourself, check the description below. If the suction mount is available, the link will be provided right there. Alright, so moving on to the last but not the least, and probably one of the most important accessory a dashcam can have. I'm talking about CPL filters, circular polarizing filters. I've also made a very detailed video on what a CPL filter is and why is it so important to you. In case if you're interested in checking it out, the link to that video will be in the description. But In this video, I'm not going to talk in detail about the CPL filters. I'm just going to tell you that CPL filters are mostly largely available for most cameras. I mean, compared to suction mounts, they are mostly available for every other camera, but not all cameras. So all the CPL filters which are available online, you will find the links to those in the description below. I'll provide the name of the camera and the link to the compatible CPL filter. If your camera's name is in the list, click on the link, get the CPL filter. So many people are still asking me, is CPL filter really necessary? I mean, should you keep investing in it? Well, my answer is definitely yes. CPL filters enhance your video quality by removing the glare, removing the unwanted reflections, and giving you that proper video footage which you actually deserve. And as I said, I've made a detailed video already about this, so I'm not going to talk much in this video. You can check that video out on why CPL filter is so important. So that's it, 4 important and must-have accessories for each dash camera. If you've already purchased one or planning to get one, these 4 accessories are a must-have and you should definitely get these: memory cards, hardware kits, suction mounts, and CPL filters. So I hope you like this video and all the other videos which I just brought out recently. And in case if these videos did help you out, it's time to hit that subscribe button. Don't go away without subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me. Also, don't forget to like this video and hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. So my throat is kind of itching a lot after speaking for so long for so many videos. So it's time to take a break. It's time to go and have some fun. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.